7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at general crypto market. We have a green day in the market today, and that's really nice to see. The month of May has been really brutal in the crypto market. We have been dumping in the whole month of May, but it's good to see the few. It's good to see the last days in May turning green in the crypto market. That's very, very good. Even though we're down in the trenches, guys, Bitcoin is still stuck in this range and it faked us out this early morning. Everybody got so bullish this morning. It looks as if Bitcoin was going to break 30,600. We've been stuck in 30,600 to just below 28,300. We've been stuck there since the 13th of May 2022. We'll be talking about that in this video. We're looking at the DXY and the US dollar currency index actually crashing on itself. I'm looking at that. Sentiment in the market is still in extreme fear. We'll be talking about that. I'm talking about, guys, Bitcoin's always attracted to its 200-week moving average. Will this time be different? We're looking at other news happening in the crypto industry. We're looking at other news happening in the crypto space. We're talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. We have a green day in the markets today, guys. A lot of these coins are bouncing, and we have ADA is up 12%, HNT is up 17%, Wave is up a huge 30%, Run is up 13%, and we have Ethereum is up 4.5%. Today is a really good day in the market. All of the coins are pumping. Almost everybody's happy. But guys, let's not lose sight of things. On the weekly, we are still down. We have been dumping the whole month of May. The month of May has been a brutal month, and it was led by the whole lunar crash. And since then, Luna has crashed. They have launched another new network. Shout out to them. But a lot of our coins in May crashed hard. ApeCoin that was having a good match, boom, crashed 69%. GMT that was having a monster run crashed 70%. And that was just the general story in the market. Bitcoin is still making that decision. Bitcoin is still teasing us slowly and slowly. Since 13th of May 2022, Bitcoin has just been ranging. It looks as if somebody's guiding Bitcoin, and Bitcoin cannot continue being in this range forever. At some point in time, we'll have to break violently to the upside or to the downside, and a lot of signals are showing us that we might probably break to the upside, even if it's just a relief rally, just to wet the ground. Because, guys, at this point in time, Twitter is very bearish, the crypto space is very bearish, and people are actually insulting each other for all the mistakes they made during the bull run. Everybody's finding somebody to blame for decisions they made. That's how you know that the bottom is getting close to being put in. I don't think the bottom is right now, and that's how you know the bottom is getting close to being put in. I don't think the bottom is there right now. I still feel as if we'll actually pump maybe to around $37,000 region before we finally dump lower. Looking at the dollar currency index, the US dollar currency index is dumping on itself. It went parabolic on the 12th to the 13th of May, and if you notice something, that was when the crypto market had that capitulation event. That was when the dollar went parabolic. So that was this the final phase for the dollar. On the pumping phases of the dollar, was this the climatic phase of the dollar? Because you can see that as the dollar was entering climatic phase, what was happening to the crypto market, happening to Bitcoin? Bitcoin was actually capitulating, and people were selling all their cryptocurrencies. They were running to the dollar because everybody believes it was going to zero, probably going to the all-time high. And that was the day the dollar tops. Very, very peculiar to see. Now the dollar has been dumping. Bitcoin has not actually done anything since then. It has been ranging. Even though the stock market has gotten a little nice bounce, Bitcoin has not done anything yet. But as far as the dollar is crashing, that's a very, very good sign for the crypto market, because when the dollar is crashing and it comes to the market, you see that the market will get green. So it looks as if June is going to be a very, very good month for the crypto space. Only time we tell right now, but we're looking forward to a very, very green June. And the market is still in extreme fear. History has shown over time that anytime there's prolonged extreme fear, that's actually a very, very good time to be accumulating a lot of quality coins. Guys, I emphasize quality coins. A lot of these altcoins that have dropped 98% from their all-time high. Some of them will never ever go back to their all-time high. But you can see that during the month of May, the highest we got on the crypto fear and greed index was just a rating of 28. If not, we have been in extreme fear for a majority of those time periods. I expect a little relief in June. I expect the market to actually have a little pump in June. We have had 9 consecutive red candles. I don't think we'll just continue having red candles. At some point in time, we're going to have some green candles. Anytime Bitcoin comes to that average, that's a very, very good time to buy Bitcoin. You can see that that's the bottom of Bitcoin in 2015. That was the bottom for Bitcoin in 2015. And in 2018, when the market bottom, Bitcoin got to its 200-week moving average. And even in the COVID sell-off, Bitcoin actually wicked down below its 200-week moving average. And will Bitcoin come and touch its 200-week moving average this time? Or will this time be actually different? I don't think this time will be different, guys. But I don't think Bitcoin will do it in a straight line. We might actually just see capitulation and people will just sell all their coins. We can dump from 29K straight to 22K. From 29K to 22K, if we're going to drop to 22K right now, that's just a 23% dump, which is very, very possible. And some people are arguing that even if we pump in July or we pump in June, we'll still have one more dump just to flush out the weak hands. But as I showed you guys on the US dollar currency index, the climax for the dollar came on the 12th of May, and you can see that was the day a lot of people capitulated and sold out of the market. They couldn't handle the pain again. And is the pain over? Only time will tell. Guys, Bitcoin set a new record, 9-week losing streak with BTC price down 22% in May. This was not a record we wanted to see Bitcoin actually break in May, but guys, people thought that we couldn't get 6 consecutive week red candle. We got 6 weeks, we got 7 weeks, 8 weeks, 9 weeks, and this week is going to show whether we're going to have 10 consecutive weeks of red candle. And the stock market actually had a nice bounce. Bitcoin didn't actually bounce, and that's sad to see because people are hoping that since Bitcoin is heavily correlated with the stock market, as the stock market was bouncing, will Bitcoin actually bounce? A lot of people are actually looking into the past to see how long the previous Bitcoin bear market has lasted. But guys, with everything, you know that you can actually predict time. Mega bullish signal or real breakdown. 5 things to know about Bitcoin this week. And guys, that's what I was showing you in the charts. And Bitcoin has a decision to make. Is either we're pumping violently to the upside or we're breaking violently to the downside. A decision will have to be made by Bitcoin very, very soon. Can Bitcoin avoid 10 weeks of red candle? Only time we tell. We have 9 weeks. Why can't we just go for number 10? I won't be surprised if Bitcoin actually have 10 weeks of red candles. But Bitcoin will have to make a decision very, very, very quickly. Stock market has rebounded. People are calling the bear market rally for the stock market. I know that in the bear market, when the market is rallying, it rallies very fast but not very long. And the dollar is actually down. I just told you guys earlier, it's actually nice for the Bitcoin market. We'll see whether that will translate to higher price of Bitcoin very, very soon. And somebody's already talking about the next bull run. Say women will drive the next bull run. That's Team Dapper. We'll only see whether that will be right in the future. It's predicting a $250 Bitcoin price. And the top gainers in the last 24 hours in the cryptocurrency market, in the top 100 coins, you have Wave, HNT, KNC, RON, ADA, and AR. And in the loser section, we have Nixo, we have AVAX, we have SDC, we have FEP, we have Terra, and we have USDP. And the highest loser in the last 24 hours was Nixo. It lost 5%. The highest gainer in the last 24 hours in the top 100 cryptocurrency is Wave. Wave gained over 29%. In the top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization is still unchanged. The total crypto market cap is at $1.26 trillion. Bitcoin is at number 1, currently going for $30,000. At number 2, we have Ethereum. Number 3 and 4, the stablecoin battle is still on. Terra and USDC. Number 5 and number 6, BNB and XRP. Always top 10 candidates. Number 7 is Binance USD. Number 8 is ADA. Number 9 is Solana. And number 10 is Doge. Those are the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. We're still heavily in Bitcoin season, so be careful with those altcoins, guys. But it looks as if we're breaking out of Bitcoin season. And the Crypto Unicorn Index is telling us we only have 61 projects that have a market capitalization of over $1 billion, guys. What do you think about the Terra Luna situation? And Terra Luna launched their network, that's Luna 2, but it has tanked 70% in 2 days. Do you think the new blockchain will survive? Do you think that he just launched the network just to pay back the VCs that invested in Terra 1? There's the whole controversy about that. People are still not sold on the Luna 2 network. That you can't just say people lose all their money and you just start a new network like nothing happened. And market cleansing bear market cycles ahead, this says industry experts. It looks as if the general consensus in the market is that we're in a bear market. If we're in a bear market, guys, when will the end of the bear market happen? Right now, we have a green day in the market. Let's be happy for the green day. We hope to see another green day tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7 1,